morning everyone, Schwell here with a quick video update. TacPack.com sent me one of their subscription-based packs, and we're going to move forward with the channel and we're going to add this to our regular routine. Every month when I get the package, I'm going to do an unboxing video so you guys can see what that box looked like for the month. For $49.95, your subscription gets you a package every month with products that are equal to or slightly more or less than $100. So for basically what's $50 means that you'll be right around that $100 range. And if you use the code SCHWELL when you're checking out, you'll also receive a tactical mystery box. So you get bonus items while also helping the channel. This box is supposed to contain items that pertain to the AR as well as survival gear. So let's go ahead and dive in, and let's not make this any longer than it needs to be. And this is a sleeping bag, TacPack 2.0 by Frogging Company. And what is this? The OST Compact Silhouette Kit. Comes with an 8-inch chest, 4-inch head silhouette, open hand, don't shoot, a weapon, shoot, and what you'll need is some spray paint and cardboard. So this is for use with drills, tactical drills. And another box, and this is the EX AR-15 AR-10 adjustable rifle stock by Adaptive Tactical. Let's go ahead and open this up as well. An adjustable stock for your AR, AR-10, AR-15. This insert is from TacPack.com, and it breaks down everything that you have in the package and tells you how much they retail for, what the retail value for each product is. If you look at the first product, which is the EX Performance Adjustable M4 Style Stock, that suggested retail price is $50. So that one item, this adjustable stock, covers your cost of your subscription. The OST Target Silhouette Kit, that's $23. So right now we're at $73. The Tactical Bivy Sleeping Bag. This is an emergency reusable sleeping bag, and this retails for $20. So we're at $93. $5 stickers, and this is the AR Shorty sticker. It looks like an SBR of an AR. So that was stuck to the bottom of the box. Some good thing I looked at this list. Then you have the AR-51 patch. This one is a glow in the dark, I believe, or maybe it's not, but this is the Come and Take It Area 51 Raid 2019. Those of you that don't know, there was supposed to be a raid in September. That didn't happen, but that patch is listed as priceless. On this list, it also tells you or gives you hints about next month's TacPack, October's TacPack, which is this month actually. Hey folks, now this video is going to be the beginning of my comeback, and that means more content coming to the channel. I wanted it to be a little bit more explosive than this, but there have been some things logistically that have gotten in the way of certain projects unfolding the way that they were intended. So there's been a slight delay. But please bear with me. Temperatures are dropping here in Florida, so that means I get to spend more time out at the range, and you will see me out at Big 3 quite a bit this winter. So stay tuned. Now, as usual, I hope you guys are out there having fun, being safe, and also being responsible. And this is Schwell, and I'll hit you with the 2 fingers. Later.